What if I told you this AI can create a full-blown premium product ad without even writing a single prompt? Today I'm going to show you how to create visuals that looks like full-blown CGI without spending thousands on software, professional studios, or even massive marketing budgets. Imagine being able to produce commercial-grade shots, product mock-ups, and even entire campaigns with just a simple conversation. What you're seeing right now was built entirely with this AI tool by simply sharing the vision. If you want to up your marketing game, this tool is for you. Hey everyone, I'm NB, and today I'm going to give you the entire workflow on how to create the premium quality professional product ad without even writing a single prompt. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to stay along the journey. Let's get into it. This is Hedra Agent, your creative partner that takes care of the entire workflow without letting you worry much about the prompt and the details that gets involved. You just chat with it, share your vision, and it gets the work done. Let me show you how that works. For example, let's just share an idea of a premium product ad. Create a premium product CGI for premium smartphone, focusing on deconstructed design. Just give a few other keywords to help it: sleek and smooth, and maybe something like unique design. Let's see what this comes up with. It just takes a few while. If you see here, it goes into thinking mode to understand, oh wow, that was pretty quick, to see what exactly would the image be. So the workflow is like it starts with image. Once you approve of it, it generates using Nano Banana Pro because that's the best image generation model right now. And once you approve of it, then it goes into the video generation mode. Okay, so see, it has already written the detailed prompt for you, so you don't have to worry much about it. Maybe, for example, 16:9 is fine. 1K, maybe we'll just go with 4K instead just to see the best quality possible. And maybe let's go with 2 variations, okay? And then let's approve. Once I approve, it goes into queuing and generating the images for you. So after we have the image generation done, if you want to make any changes or tweak around it, you can just chat with it as you talk to a normal human being. And once it is done, we'll proceed to the video generation part. So let's see how that works. Perfect. So we have our deconstructed view clearly ready. I think this is fantastic. Looks very professional, sleek and modern, as I said. Okay, great. Let's select this one and let's, for example, ask for a different angle of it, right? Let's create, maybe let's change the color. I don't like it too much. Let's change the color to orange, inspired by iPhone 17, professional and sleek. Let's see. So you see how easy it is. You just make changes, chat with it, and it comes up with its own, detailed prompt. You don't need to worry about that. So this is the subject test chosen, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll go with one image this time, okay? Let's go with 4K again. Let's see what this comes up with. All right. Oh, wow. Wow. I love that. I love this image. It is so clean, neat, ultra realistic. Maybe I want to see the front view. Change the angle to front view. Make the screen come live with AIUNIQreate branding on it, on the screen. Oh wow, I love that. You see how nicely it has layered the entire chip inside and clearly has orange only here, only on sides, and the correct branding, right? There is no changes or anything that looks unprofessional. Okay, perfect. Let's get it into a cinematic video. Yes, let's do that. I don't need to tell him the prompt. I don't need to tell him how the cinematic visual should be. Yes. I just say yes because it's gonna just write the prompt for me on its own. So you see how easy it is. You just chat with the agent, you just share your vision, and the agent comes up with the idea. Agent will decide which particular image generation tool to be used. The agent will decide which particular video generation tool to be used. It completes the entire packaging for you, right? Okay, so it's coming up with the um, prompt. Let's see, what is it? A slow cinematic zoom in, blah blah blah. Okay. It's going to go with sedans, but I just want to see the capability of Kling here right now. So I'm just going to change it to Kling V3 Pro. Okay. And yeah, that's the maximum quality we have. 1080p. Let's go with 8 seconds. Yes. Let's just go with approve and see what it comes up with. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those were some of the use cases that I tried. You can go with any use case that you have for your business, right? And this is perfect for product photography. Like I said, no hassle of writing prompt codes, no hassle of taking professional photographers and so on. So go ahead and check it out yourself and try it and let me know how that works. I'll be sharing the link in the description as well as pin it to the comments. And guys, if this content has been helpful, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon for sure to stay along the journey. Bye-bye.